With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, our question is auxetic growth is characterized by increase in cell number, growth without increase in cell number, both increase in cell number and cell growth, expansion in the transfer direction. So the correct option for this question is the option second, that is growth without increase in cell number. In auxetic growth, there is not number of cells increase, but size of the cell increases. Size of cell increases rather than the number of the cell, or we can say the expansion of body cell is seen in the auxetic growth, expansion of the cell, and we have it is seen in the humans as well as the plant. In human and plant, in both it is seen. In human, we can see it in the muscles and for plants there is a hormone that is known as auxin, which promotes the auxetic growth. So our option, that is growth without increase in cell number, is correct, because option 2 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.